In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from one cloud to another. This is a simple process, and once you understand the basic flow, you can use it with almost any cloud storage service. In this example, the source cloud will be Google Drive, and the destination cloud will be OneDrive, but the same idea works for other platforms as well. To begin, sign into your source cloud storage account. Here, that means logging into Google Drive. Once you're inside, take a moment to locate the files, folders, or other data you want to move. It helps to double check that you've selected everything you need before starting the download, especially if you're transferring multiple folders or a larger batch of files. Next, download the files or folders you want to transfer to your computer. This step is important because your computer acts as the middle point between the two cloud services. Depending on the size of your files, the download may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Make sure you remember where the files are being saved on your computer so you can find them easily in the next step. After the download is complete, sign in to your destination cloud storage account. In this example, that will be OneDrive. Once you're logged in, go to the location where you want the transferred files to be stored. If you like to keep things organized, this is a good time to open the folder where you want everything uploaded. Now upload the downloaded files or folders. In OneDrive, you can do this by clicking Create or Upload from the left panel. Then choose either Files Upload or Folder Upload, depending on what you downloaded. Your computer's file browser will open. From there, navigate to the files or folders you saved earlier, select them, and click Open to begin the upload. At this point, all that's left to do is wait for the upload to finish. The time this takes will depend on your internet speed and the size of the data you're transferring. During the upload, it's best to keep your browser open and avoid interrupting the connection so the process can complete smoothly. Once the upload is finished, your data will now be available in the new cloud storage account. And that's it. You've successfully transferred data from one cloud to another using a simple download and upload method.